Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I've got a cool little Amazon find for you. It is the Wuben XO. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that Wuben or Wuben. XO EDC Everyday Carry Flashlight. And this thing is tiny. We're going to check it all out, see if it's worth buying. Alright, so I've been seeing this flashlight all over TikToks and gadget videos and other recommended buys. I've had it in my saved cart for a while, just because the price has been pretty high. They're about $80 Canadian. That's ridiculous for this little tiny thing. However, when I checked it the other day, it had a $25 off coupon on Amazon, so I decided, you know what? Okay, now I'll pick it up. Let's try it out, see if it's any good. What's all the hype about? Is it even worth it? So, that being said, we're going to test it out, and we're going to see if it's worth the money or not. Look at how small this thing is. We're going to open up the box for the Wuben XO flashlight. What do you get with it? Well, your typical, you get your user manual. You're going to get a USB-C charging cable with the Wuben logo on it. You can see that. Hopefully that focuses in. Okay. And we're going to get the flashlight itself. And like I said, this has got a good heft to it. So we're going to find out how much it weighs, how it all works, what's it made out of. So also in the package we got 2 rubber O-rings for the battery compartment if we change the battery out or something. We're going to see how much this thing weighs because it's got a good heft to it. Alright, so this little flashlight weighs 84 grams. So first thing that you're going to notice about this is it's all metal construction. We've got a button that actually pops up. I'll show that here. And you got your USB-C port right there. On the back, you've got the clip here, and you could just slide that on a pocket or something like that if you need to wear it. Okay. We're going to test out exactly how long this battery lasts, because this thing's just small, it's just tiny. Now I tested out how long this would work at high power. I got an hour and 43 minutes before it just died. It didn't just dim out, it just shut itself down. The body of this light itself is an aerospace grade aluminum alloy. It's got a max runtime of 130 hours. This everyday carry flashlight has a max throw of 125 meters. It's waterproof to IP68 standards, which means it's good to be submerged in water for 1.5 meters, up to 30 minutes. This flashlight has a 1100 milliamp battery inside, and the lamp itself has a 6500K ultra white with the P9 lamp beads. According to the website, they're claiming it's 1100 lumens, 175 degree beam, and it is magnetic. It is bright, it is blinding for such a small little device. It is the middle of the day, but everything's turned off. Now, this flashlight. Look at how much that's lighting up that. Right to my front door. That's a good 20 some odd feet away. I mean, I don't know what it is about flashlights, but all guys love flashlights. And this is no exception. This is actually really cool. It's good with the discount price, but not so much, I think, at the full price. There's different kind of enclosures that you can get for this. One looking like it's cracked concrete and stuff, but they go up to like $300 for the exact same thing. I don't understand that. That's rarity or something. However, functionality wise, this little thing, it's good to even keep in your pocket or coat pocket in case you need an emergency light. And on this walkway here, you can see it's kind of not very bright. Now, full beam. In pitch dark, that's not bad at all. Look at this. It's lighting everything up here. Now you double click and we'll go into strobe mode. Double click again. And we got this, I don't know what it is. It's like a flashing emergency mode of some sort. And double click again. Back into strobe mode. And we turn it off. One more click. We turn it back on. Double click for high power. And we hold the button down and it will cycle through the different power levels. Again, now we're on full power mode. So, you can even see, that's my finger causing this massive shadow. This is a very, very bright flashlight. Is it bright enough to walk your dog with? Of course. Now if I just turn it off to show you the difference. Back to full brightness. Wow, what a difference. Awesome. What are the pros and cons of this light? The pros, obviously it's very bright, and the fact that you can attach it to yourself, a pocket, whatever, with the pen clip, you know, allows you for some hands-free light while you're using this. It is magnetic, you can stick it on things, so that's kind of nice. It's a handy little work light, but if you need it on a different angle other than 90 degrees of some sort, that's not going to help you out that much. Obviously, the farther you go back, the wider the beam, and the all-metal construction and the aluminum accents are kind of nice. So this is just the cheapest one that you can get off of Amazon. I'll post links down below, both from USA and Canadian Amazon. So it's amazon.ca and amazon.com if you're interested in grabbing one of these. Cons, price. This is really expensive, I think, for what it is. If this was all the time $40 or $50 cheaper, I would say grab it right away. At its regular price of $80 Canadian, I don't know. That's a lot of money for this little flashlight. So even with the $25 off coupon on Amazon, it still comes to 55 bucks, which I think might be a little bit high for this. If you're an avid camper or something like that, that might be something that you're interested in. I do think there are better lights out there for the money. And do I recommend buying it? For the price, it's really iffy. If you can afford it, it's a bit of a luxury. I still think you can get cheaper, better flashlights around. Is it worth the money that's paid for this? Not at regular price, I don't think. It's a cool unit. It's well constructed. It probably would last you, a good portion of your life. I think this one comes down to personal preference. If you've got a use for it, then yeah, it's worth the money with the coupon. As it is, regular price, something to have around the house or maybe in your console of your car, your glove box, I think you can get a little bit better out there. Anyways, hopefully that this video was informative for you, and if you've been looking at these, maybe it helped you make a decision whether one was right for you or not. I don't really think this is going to be one of these items that's really right for everybody, if that makes sense. So if you got some valuable information regarding these flashlights out of this video, I would appreciate a like, maybe even a subscribe. And if you're feeling daring enough, there's that little bell in the bottom right hand corner that will notify you every time I've got a new video up. And as always, well, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.